did another video about a wonderful product by Lowe and Bonar, and it is called the Valmex AIRTEX Magic Blackout. It's technically FR Blackout. Well, there's another change. First, I wanted to show you, this is the printed result. We have all of the samples, 12 by 18. Very, very, very nice. A lot of advantages to this. It's blackout, so you can print double-sided. Also, it's easy to cut. All this was cut with a rotary cutter. Because it's airtight, because it's coated, you could print on it with any generation of latex printers. You do not need the ink collector to be effective printing on this. But I also wanted to note that there's a change. Lowe and Bonar is the parent company. They, for a long time, have sold the banners under a name called Mehler. It's very well known. It's a German company, excellent, high quality. They're widely available in Europe. Mehler Texnologies, T-E-X, Mehler Texnologies is the new official name. Lowe and Bonar is the parent company, but Mehler Texnologies is the name. And it's no longer Valmex, it's just the AIRTEX Magic FR Blackout, just so you know. So if you're looking for it and you find yourself confused, it's now called the Mehler, M-E-H-L-E-R, Texnologies, AIRTEX Magic Blackout FR. Great product. I've been printing it double-sided quite a bit. I like it a lot. There's a great deal to be said about it.